Hey, my prepper friends. It's like 2:30 in the morning, 3 o'clock, and I am going to show you my technique on how I inventory and organize my canned goods. So what I have here is a Walmart bin, and this is, 18-gallon, 68-liter bin. So what I start with is the oldest expiry date, meaning I'm looking for anything that is above 2024. So if it's 24, 25, it's the first layer of my bin. Okay, so we'll start off with 3 cans of Spam, 2025. We have another one, 2025. And it's like Tetris, you know, playing Tetris here. We got some gold leaf, wild mackerel, gold leaf. Put that in there. And I want to make everything level. That's the goal. So that's a 2025. That's a 2024. It's in that range, that 2-year range. 6 cans of Kirkland chicken breast, 2025. It looks like my daughter got into this one, and that's okay. That's what it's for. 2024. And that goes in there. So basically I'm just playing Tetris right now. Another 2024, 6 cans. So right now we have a total of 17 chicken, 6 cans of this wild mackerel. So this is what I got so far in this box, this bin. Let's carry on. So they belong on the bottom. 2025, 3 cans. What I like to do is I like to slot them in here like that on the side. And that way I'm using up the space. 2024, we're going to start a new roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look at here. We got 2024. We're starting a new roll. 14 cans of salmon. We got tuna. You can see I love my tuna, eh? And we have, alright, 17 chicken, ranging from 2024 to 2025. 6 mackerel to 2025 expiry, Best Buy. 9 Spam is going for 24 to 25 expiry. 14 pink salmon, 2024. Tuna 11, 2024. 2 garlic and herb, 2024. And corned beef 1 for 2026. So this whole level is going to be strictly only for 2024, 2025. That's it. So this level is complete. Get another piece of cardboard and just layer it down, just like that. So I have somewhat of a surface to work with, a flat surface there. Easy peasy. Okay, so the top level is going to be all 2023. And we're looking at a total of 60 cans for this. That's quite a bit of cans, you know. And plus, I don't like this gap, so what I'm going to do is I got hams. They're all 2023. I'm just going to lay them out like that. A roll. This way there's a flat surface, eh? I'll probably go one more, maybe. Try it. See how that's dented? I'm not going to pack that in there. I'm putting it on the side with the other dents. So if you see, this one looks good, but underneath it's got a nasty dent. So I'm going to eat that. This one too. I don't like these dents. So I was told not to use these pops, eh? They're convenient. They're convenient lids, but best to eat those up right away. Trying to level this up. Some more turkey. Playing Tetris with the food. Don't play with your food. And we can still fit more in there. That's 71. I'm looking at this big box of 6-pack of chili. I love this with my rice, but I'm looking for the expiry date on this. And I bought it a few weeks ago. Would you believe it? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. 2025. That should have been on the bottom. Darn it. But I'm not starting the video over. We eat this like crazy, so and just go like that. Okay, I'm going to leave it. Please remember that this is going to be heavy, so do this on the floor or a dolly so you can roll it to the spot it's going to be stored. And I like to store this on the lowest part of the shelving. Kind of wiggle them in there. A little wiggle wiggle. Okay. We got these ones, 2023. They're all labeled with little stickers. The marker does not seem to agree with this kind of plastic, so I added a sticker and it works great. We are done. Add this up. So let's do the math. Let's do the math. Okay, so I calculator, because I suck at math. I'm a finger counter, eh? All right, so this is what I got. 30 cans total for this level, the second level. And then below it, we have 50 cans. All right, I could stuff a lot more and fill up these spaces, but I want to keep this bin at 2023 to 2026 in that time frame, eh, for opening. So this one is going to get locked up. All right, so I'm just going to keep this paper inside like that. That way everything's calculated. On the lid, I grabbed some duct tape that's white, great for labeling, and very sticky. I like this duct tape because I could tear it off and put a fresh one on top, or I could just cut out a new tape and just cover this. Easy peasy. I call this one C3, and I have the dates in there. 2023 to 2025, and we're done. This means 80 cans. All right, this goes on my bottom shelf, and then I'm going to work. I have bins for everything, eh? So I have all my noodles up higher because they're light. I have various noodles. I have various oatmeal breakfasts. I have rice on the bottom because it's heavy. I have habitat soup, my favorite, pea soup with ham, my favorite. I have cans of potatoes. I have and various other more soup cans, which I have to organize. But this is how I organize my bins. I throw a little tape around the edge here. I'm going to put some tape around the edge, seal it real tight, and that's it. I won't touch this I won't touch this for another year. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.